Oh boy, a box is here.
There's a box at the door, there's a box at the door. Is it mine or yours? I've never seen it before, but there's a box at the door. But what's in the box? What's in the box? Is it a pillow or a monkey or a bunch of socks? What's in the box?
What's in the box? Oh, it's a ribbon. How lovely. Oh, look at it move. It's like the wind. Let's dance like the ribbon does. Woo, woo, woo. Woo. Wow, what a ribbon dance. You're a very good ribbon dancer, by the way. Thanks for opening the box with me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye!